Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. So first step is to visualize the problem and put all the data in the diagram. So it says a particle is thrown vertically upward and its velocity at half of the height is 10 meter per second, and we have to find the maximum height. So let us say this is the ground, and from here the particle is thrown up with the speed u, and it goes all the way till here and then comes back down. So this is the maximum height h, and at half of that height its velocity was 10 meter per second. Let us call this velocity VB. Let us call this point A. Let us call this point B. Let us call the maximum height as C. So now if you apply we need to find h, and we know the velocity at C is 0 meter per second because that is the maximum height. Okay, so now let's set up the equation from A to B. Looks at up is positive, down is negative. So at B the final velocity is 10 meter per second upwards. Initial velocity we don't know. Displacement is upwards, h by 2. Acceleration is downwards, 10 meter per second square, so minus 10 meter per second square. Time we don't know. So one strategy can be that we have h is unknown, u is also unknown, so we need two equations to solve for two unknowns. So first equation can be from A to B, second equation can be from A to C. Okay, so using v square equals u square minus 2ax, you get v square is 100 equals u square minus, equation is actually u square equals u square plus 2x. So acceleration is negative 10, so minus 2 into 10 into h by 2. So we get u square equals 100 plus 10h. Okay, next what we'll do is we'll set up the equation from A to C. So final velocity at C is 0. Initial velocity at A is u upwards. Displacement is supposed to be h. Acceleration is minus 10. So again, using v square equals u square plus 2x, we get v square equals, using v square equals u square plus 2ax. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is u squared minus 2 into a into, now this time it will be h. So we get u square equals 20h, but u square from here is already 100 plus 10h, which is going to be equal to 20h. So we get 10h equals 100 and h equals 10 meter, which is the correct answer. So option C.